Today is the 26th of July, 2024. It's been 3 days after Typhoon Carina devastated most part of the coastal area in the Philippines. In Barangay San Rafael 4 in Navalata, province of Cavite, more or less 1,000 individuals were forced to vacate their homes due to strong winds and continuous rainfall. The situation was becoming dangerous, especially on those who resides near the Bay Area. The nearby schools were used as temporary shelters for those who were evacuated. They were given food and supplies by the local LGUs too. Some families chose to stay behind so they can prevent further damage to their properties. Not sure of the danger they were facing, they still took their chances and waited the storm until it calms down. Most of the houses at Bay Area were severely damaged. Some were totally destroyed by big waves and strong winds that spanned beyond the coastal shorelines. Most of the residences in this area rely on fishing and trading dried fish as their primary livelihood. After the storm has passed, residences returned to their homes and started rebuilding their houses or what is left of it. It's been almost a week now since their last outing to catch fish, and by this time all their resources will be depleted. Some started collecting scraps and plastic bottles at the coastal area, in exchange for a small amount. Currently, most of the shorelines are covered with different kind of waste materials, mostly plastics and plastic bottles. Due to the lack of options, they now turn and seek help to the local LGUs.
Grabe. Bahari pala dito. Sana. Bahari pala dito. Pasok ko dito, no? Yung tubig, no?
Hanggang dyan, no?
Oh.
Nung nakarang araw, hindi pinasok pa. Kahapon hindi na pumasok. Eh, maliit ng dagat.
Oo nga eh. Okay, balik na kami dito. Sila, pasok dyan. Mga bata. Hindi, baha kasi. Hindi na kami umano. Sige, ano lang, ikot lang ho kami dito. Talagang ayun, ano, daanan ng tubig. Daanan ng tubig. Eh, baha pa rin pala dun eh. Wala na yung mga bilaran. Ano? Eh, ito. Dinadokumento lang na para baka makaano.
Ha? Yan?
Pasok ang ano, no? Hanggang sa ano? Sobrang lakas ng alon, nanabot talaga.
Sobrang sira ka lang naman tayo, no?
Sira yung ano? Sobrang ano? Wala na tira sa bilaran. Yung mga iwan nila. Nabot ng bahan. Kapit, sira oh. Sobra na. Lakas to ng ano, pinasok ko lahat dito, no?
Abot ang doon hanggang sa likod.
Sa likod, no? Grabe.
Sira yung mga
Kaya yung mga bahayan.
Today, they will be receiving rations from the local government as an initial aid. Although it's not much, for the recipients it's way better than having nothing, especially if you have little mouths to feed.
Sa inyo ha, para sa pamilya ninyo, makakain tayo ng maayos. Alam ko marami sa inyo walang hanap buhay ngayon, masama ang panahon. Ang importante, alam niyo hindi namin kayo nalilimutan. Okay? Dahil nga sinabi ni Mayor David Chua, Chua cares, walang iwanan sa Team Umlan. Okay, maraming salamat po. Ay, labas po yung mga ticket natin. Ito. Ayan, ilabas niyo.